Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make quick and easy decorative bows in less than 5 minutes. So the company VATIN sent over some of their Christmas wire edge ribbon. This ribbon is 2.5 inches in width and I love the patterns. They look and feel great, so I know they'll be perfect for these holiday bows. Click the link below and check them out for yourself. They're perfect for Christmas wreaths, the Christmas tree, garland, stairs, cars, gift wrapping, whatever you prefer. So I have 2.5 inch wide wire edge ribbon. Wire edge ribbon definitely works the best for these types of bows because you can manipulate the ribbon a little bit better. You can go with different widths if you choose to do so. Alright, so I've cut my ribbon into 32-inch long pieces and I have 9 separate pieces. So I'm making an 8-inch loop and I actually measured about 9.5 inches just to give myself a little extra space for when I start to maneuver the bow. So then I'm just going to scrunch right at that 8-inch mark. So as you can see, there's a little extra ribbon back there. I'm going to measure another 8-inch loop, scrunch, and place it right on top. Biggest thing is just to make sure that you hold it nice and tight where it scrunches. And I'm just going to repeat this step for all 9 pieces. And depending on how many loops I add, sometimes I kind of do maybe 4 and then tie them together and then 4 more and tie them together. So you can do that as well if it's a little difficult to kind of hold them together. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and measure the rest of my loops. So I've added all of my loops. As you can see, I have tails hanging on both sides and I have it all scrunched in the center. Now I'm going to use a Chanel stem to pull it all together. You can also use floral wire or anything you prefer to bring it all together. So just tie it around nice and tight and I just kind of twist it a few times. Okay, so now I'm going to maneuver and manipulate my ribbon so I make it nice and round and loopy. So I'm just going to kind of loop each separate one. Just twist it and turn it however you prefer. Make it look so cute and precious. So I'm also going to adjust my tails as well. Just rounding everything out. And then once I start to get it pretty round, I like to sit it flat because it helps me to see what spots are missing ribbon. This is why wire edge works the best because you can manipulate it the easiest. But again, if you have some ribbon that you're absolutely in love with, then I say go for it. I've definitely used like satin ribbon, silky ribbon to make this same style of loopy bow because I just really loved the ribbon. Okay, so it looks so cute and loopy already. For the final touch, I'm going to ribbon cut the ends. So I'm just going to fold it in half. The open ends at the bottom, the fold at the top, and cut at a diagonal. Just to give me that final finish. I think is so cute and adorable. If you prefer not to complete this step, then you can do so. I'm going to ribbon cut all of my ends. Definitely a quick and easy loopy bow, perfect for the holidays, for birthdays, any type of celebration, also for decor on the front door, on the wreath, on the Christmas tree, wherever, on windows, cars, whatever you prefer. Just have fun with it and make it your own. But it's so cute, simple, and easy to make. Okay, so I have my little starting loop. Alright, and then I'm going to twist my ribbon just to make sure that the white side of the ribbon is always visible. I'm going to twist it like that and then make a loop just like this and grab it with my hand and twist it again and make another loop. If you're using ribbon that is double-sided, then you don't have to add in the extra twist. You will just go from one side to the other. Okay, so I'm making another loop and I'm just kind of estimating, trying to get the loops as even as possible. You can measure if you choose to do so, but this is just a quick and easy bow, so you don't have to measure it. I twist and then I come back to my right side Make a slightly larger loop, twist like that to keep the right side of the ribbon up front. Make a loop, twist, and then I just continue doing the same thing for as many loops as I like. And each time I make it slightly larger than the last so that all loops are visible and nothing gets hidden away. I think I'm going to go with 4 loops on either side. I think that'll make a pretty decent sized bow. I'm still twisting and making my loops, twist and make a loop. And I'm holding everything together here in the center. Okay, so I have 4 loops on either side. I'm just going to make a larger loop. As you can see, the loop hangs down lower than the rest because I'm going to cut it and it's going to turn into my tails. This depends on how many tails you want. I want 4 tails, so I'm making 2 loops. So I'm letting the right side meet once again. Then I'm just going to cut away and gather it all together with the stem. And then I'm going to twist it really, really tight. And then I'm just adjusting. Then I'm just going to cut the middle. And then just maneuver and adjust. It can still be like manipulated somewhat. And I'm just going to ribbon cut the end. This is what it looks like. So cute and precious. I like using the stem because you can just take this and twist it around wherever you want to place it. You can even add in more stems if you want it to, if you need it longer. But you can also use floral wire, string, whatever, ribbon. So cute. I am just going to estimate how long I want my tails to be. And then I'm just going to make another tail and loop like this. And I'm just kind of estimating the loop. Just like this. Take my stem and twist it. This is also a pretty and quick and easy bow as well. But I'm going to add in the second one. And making it just slightly smaller. And then scrunching it and placing it right in front. So I'm going to take my stem, just twist around it, and just twist it together. So it's pretty much 2 of the exact same bow, but one is larger, the back one is larger. Then I'm just going to take another small piece of ribbon and just fold it for my center. You can just tie it in a knot here at the back, or you can hot glue it. If you don't have any hot glue on hand, then tying it in a knot is perfectly fine as well. And then you can just come and adjust and maneuver. You can leave it squared off. You can cut it at a diagonal, which I'll show you how that looks. It's a quick and easy bow that's so cute, precious, and adorable. Add in different styles and colors. Just have fun with it and make it your own. But it's so cute, simple, and easy to make.